Welcome friends. In this video we are going to see the sixth program of statistical machine learning for DS. Sixth question is, a company is testing two versions of a web page A and B to determine which version leads to more sales. Version A has shown 1000 users and resulted in 120 sales. Version B has shown 1200 users and resulted in 150 sales. Perform an A by B test to determine if there is a statistically significant difference in the convergence rates between the two versions. Use of 5% significance level. Just refer to the video circles program number 6. Just you can see here we are using NumPy, and here stats model. These are all already installed. Just click on copy, then search for IDLE, click on new file, then just copy the code and just paste it. Once paste, just save. It is 6 program, so SLM 6 I'm going to save. Click on save, then just click on run. Here no module. Okay, module is not installed. Just click on search menu and just search for the command prompt and then just type pip install stats models and done. It is collecting and it is downloading. Let's wait until it downloads. Install the stats models. Okay, we have downloaded it. Now let me just minimize that and just run once again the code. Okay, this is the required output, or maybe similar to video circles output. Yes, it is required output. Just closing it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me.